Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the truck and lifting the front end safely. This prevents movement while you work. Once the wheel is off, inspect the sway bar end link and surrounding boots so you know which bolts to remove. Grab a penetrating lubricant for rusted fasteners and the proper sockets, then support the control arm if needed. This relieves tension on the link. Make sure you can access both upper and lower nuts before proceeding to avoid surprises mid-job. You'll loosen the nuts while holding the link stud steady because the stud can spin. This prevents rounding. Once broken free, remove the upper nut first so the link can drop away, then the lower. Sometimes you'll need to pry the sway bar down slightly to clear the bushing. Inspect the sway bar bushing and bracket now for wear. Compare the replacement link, length, threads, and bushings to the original so you install it the same way for proper geometry and handling. You fit the new link into place, hand-starting nuts to ensure threads engage. This prevents cross-threading. Once seated, tighten to the factory torque so the bushings compress properly but aren't overstrained. This maintains handling feel. Reinstall the wheel, lower the truck, and torque the lugs. After a short drive with deliberate turns and bumps, listen and feel for clunks. If you still hear noise, recheck torque and confirm the bushing is fully seated. Insufficient seating is the most common cause of residual clunking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.